Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C73 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So first of all we have to open the recents. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, simply tap on the button with a square icon, and if you've got the gesture, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold it somewhere here, like that. After releasing, here we've got the recents. And to be honest, all we have to do is to simply tap on clear all, and we just successfully closed all apps. We can enter the recents to check, and here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.